back to another video. In today's video, we will be taking a look at Ivy and Melody's room. So this is a room that's a bit of a mess. Can you tell? Can you tell? This is like, I just made this so it wasn't there. But, you know, like, there's only dolls, just don't bother that. It's a mess. It's a straight up freaking mess, y'all. So today we're going to be giving it a new aesthetic. And it's going to be a bit minimalist with some patches of fun. Alright, let's start with the walls and cleaning it out. So I wanted to add a brick wall in here, right here. But then I realized I'll get some poster board for that. But for the meantime, we're just going to slide some regular poster board there. You can get these for like 50 cents at like Michael's or somewhere. Like, I don't know, I just had a ton. And that's why we're using it. See? Use it entirely. We're going to put a piece of poster board there, a piece of poster board there. Here we go, an all-white room. It's beautiful, I'm being honest. Never thought I'd see this day. A brown room turn into a beautiful one. Okay, so we're just gonna slide that there. It's looking great though. I found this while I was cleaning. Yeah, alright, let's start putting in furniture. You may or may not recognize this, but this is a stool and a desk. And this is the thing. But I just put it inside of here because it doesn't look anything different. It's just like if I need a stool and desk at some point. It's a storage spot, but it's also a piece of white furniture. So I wanted to make a little like nightstand to go over there because I just feel like it's important, you know, like it's important to have a nightstand to put your stuff and not on your dresser. You have a little place for knickknacks, and those will also need to get like covered up. So have this little Triscuit box. It's like right there. It's like there's like a finger space over in there. We're just gonna cover that up in some paper. Alright guys, so this is the little dresser that I made. Let me take these things off. Ta-da, beautifulness. I think it's cute. It doesn't work. You can still see the Triscuit box on the back. But basically what I did was I put a big piece of paper on it. And I took 3 pieces of that stuff that I had to cut off. That stuff there. Covered it in white paper so it would match. And then did black around the rim because I like the contrast. And then we're just putting this back here. And this thingy, little stand. And I have this Polaroid that I took. And I really like the colors in the room. And it wouldn't go against the wall. So I made a little stand. I folded this and then added that. This beautiful thing goes right here against that. And then I have this thing, which is really pretty. It's basically some cardstock stuck in a paper bead, cut up really fine to look like a plant. And that just goes there. And then to the left, we have this notebook. And these are really easy to make. I'll go through the process after I finish showing you this. And then this is an American Girl plate that I painted and put a coat of Mod Podge, and there's still some splotches, but I don't really care. And we have these yellow stickers because I like the color contrast, you know? See? So basically you want to take the regular like old composition notebook, which you can still see, but like I got the from like Dollar Tree, something like that, and you want to take some like paper or like, you know, like any other thing. I have other ones like stuff like these. You just take paper and put on there. I chose checkered pattern for this is the most recent one I've done. And then you glue it on there, and then you do a coat of Mod Podge, and then you do another coat of Mod Podge, and then I painted the spine. It just looks good in the room. because it's a bit plain right now. Alright, let's move on to the bed. So, this is the bed. Okay, just really wanted to say that, I did not use the pink pillow, and I am sick, so please excuse this voice. I covered the original turquoise pillow with a piece of gray felt. I made a white pillow and added a black thing, but that's removable. I took these 2 pillows from Emily's room because I felt like it, and this was in their original room. And then this was the original bedspread. I'm trying to debate about putting back on this hot pink little piece of fabric that acts like a throw, or getting a new one. And then this was in their original room, but this is just really cute, and I realized it matched a plate and my nail polish, so why can't I not have this in my room? Like, it felt like it needed to be in here, so that's what I did. I put it in here. Alright, so the first little knickknack that I found, other than the posters that I hung up, was this. This was in their original room, which is the room Lily is in. I gotta post that video if I haven't posted it. But I love the purple, and since purple is a reoccurring theme in this room, I'm gonna put it as a blanket. And my mom crocheted this. I can't crochet, so yeah, if you want to make a little thing for your dolls, you can crochet a little thing. So as we know, they have the Harry Potter poster, and I love reading, so I have all these little mini books. I have a video for that. So I picked out some books. This is the Deathly Hallows, and then I have the Half-Blood Prince, and then I have the Order of the Phoenix. I can't read, I'm sorry, y'all. And then we have 5 Feet Apart, and I just thought, once again, goes great with the room, and it's such a good book. Then Everything, Everything, a really good book, once again. You can find these printables all on my website, and that's linked. If you check out my channel, it's linked in the banner. And we're going to put these on some shelves that we're about to make. So we're not making the shelves, but we are going to go through some other knickknacks that I found. So, first things was, if you didn't see, but I have the entire, skate parts stuff, the skateboard, because it came with these things, but it didn't come with the skateboard, so I made one. Yeah, it's custom, I know. And I have this from Emily's room, but I don't use it that much, and I thought, why not put all her, skating gear in here, sorta, in there. Like that, and put it by the dresser. Like that. So yeah, it's gonna be there, and the skateboard's gonna rest by it. And the thing that this is on, the tripod thing that my tripod's on, separates the rooms, so there will be something there. Then we have this little pouch. It's a coin purse, and it has coins in it. It's all in pennies. Purple theme. So I was trying to think of a way I could incorporate this into the room. I think I'm not going to be able to. So yeah. Yeah. Glasses will go on the nightstand. Phones. This one's cracking, but this one's cooler, We'll go on the nightstand. And then this thing on the dresser. We have the Gabriella book. Again, purple. That would look good in the room. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than this thing, which was in the room, and this paper clip thingy that I found on the floor that I thought I could use somehow in this room. So yeah. Now we're gonna make some shelves. Yay. Alright, so I'm sorry about my voice. This is another day, and apparently I caught a cold. But let's move on to the shelf. So here, I took 2 pieces of string and cut them to the same length, then tied them up here and glued them onto this piece of cardboard covered in this rustic looking paper. I put 2 of the books on there because this is not a very strong shelf. How I hung it up and all that stuff, and the way it's made is just not that much of a strong shelf. But it works for me. Now, I want to mention my DIY headboard. This and a little haul thingy. I didn't film it because it was over the summer and I had tons of stuff going on. But I got just a trundle of an American Girl trundle bed. So this is a piece of foam board, and I didn't really want to make it a day bed, so I was going to switch things around, and I made a headboard. So the headboard's pretty basic. It's actually black, so it matches the floor. But I took a piece of poster board and then put some batting on the inside and took some pens and colored some of them with Sharpie because I didn't have only black pens. I only had like 6. So I colored them with Sharpie and they just go in the back. But once I get them all pressed down, I'm going to cover them with tape and then cover it with another piece of poster board so it's safe to use and move around, and it's going to go over here. So let me show you the final result. So this is the final headboard. I just rearranged the pillows a little, but oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Can't really get my camera to focus, but you can see those are the indents. So let's move on to the next craft. So over here we have Ivy's skate stuff. We have her skateboard, her knee pads are in there, we have her helmet, and we have her purse just hanging on the edge of the dresser. And then we have this thing which incorporates color into the room that I really like. And then we have this paperclip thing, and it's just holding everything together. And we have a picture of Melody. We have the mirror that I taught y'all how to make. We have this jar full of pennies from that little bag, coin purse. We have this notebook and this plate that I painted purple with little stickers inside. Then we have their phones. Next to that, we have a Harry Potter poster, and lower we have this really cute bear from 2016. He had little stuff on him, but I took that off. Also accidentally cut a hole in him, but that's okay. We have a Harry Potter book. We have this little felt rug. I wanted something with fringe, but I didn't really have the time. And then we have this American Girl doll bag. A little hack is if you tie the strings on the inside from the little gift card bags, you get a bag that will fit their shoulder. And then we have a little trash can. We have their little nightstand with their apple cider, which is like what I like to call it because that's what I like. We have the little coaster, Melody's glasses, a little succulent, and this beautiful photo. Above that we have the shelf with the book Everything Everything and Gabriella's book. And we have this dream catcher that brings in some neutrals. And then heading towards the bed area, we have this beautiful crocheted little blanket. We have the Squishmallow. Then we have all these pillows and the headboard that we made. Above that, we have this little piece of paper from, what's it called? You know, like scrapbook paper, and it says Hello Gorgeous. And yeah, that's the full tour of this room. If you want to, you can tell me more things I can hang on this wall. I really want to do like an idea board. So hopefully I'll have another video coming out on DIY room decor. But yeah, I really hope you liked that video. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure you, if you want, you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to know when my videos come out. Alright. Happy holidays. Bye!